Pastor Paul Adefarasi don't bring new advice come for us. The pastor of House of the Rock Church, Lagos, don't talk say he won't give us advice on how to jackpot come up from Nigeria. If pastor they give us this kind of advice on how to come up from Nigeria, I wonder how the normal human being go even think self of how to stay for Nigeria. But before I give you an gist, make una watch this video waiting for this channel like this.
Christ, I bring you greetings from Pastor Ifai, who's busy taking care of a frontier of our world and preparing our escape route. If you don't have a plan B, I know you have faith, but I have faith too, but I have a plan B. And with technology, I can speak to you from anywhere in the world. Get yourself a plan B, whether that's an Okada to Cameroon, or a flying boat or speedboat as we call them, to Seme-Border, or a hole in the ground, a bunker. Get a plan B, because these people are crazy. They're nutters, the whole bunch of them. And wait and watch the signs, because it can happen like this.
The pastor don already tell us say Nigeria don tire am, and him don dey even make plan B on how to comot. Him and him wife don even make preparation sef on how to go, because him wife don already even go sef, don go dey make plans of everything. Now they ask am say, oga, if you comot from here, who wan dey manage your church? Abi all of us sef go travel follow you go there abroad, because no be everybody even get money. This my brother sef wey he say make we go Cameroon, wey he say make we go, no be everybody get the money sef to even travel go that place. So as he dey advise us now, na people wey get money like you na go fit make this plan, because me like this, where the plan they go, I still dey this Nigeria, because all of us last we go dey okay, the country go dey okay. As far as say you dey survive, you dey fit eat, we dey okay for this country. But this plan, as a pastor, wetin dey try advise people? You suppose dey pray sef, dey encourage people say, me na stay o, this country go dey okay o. But this one wey dey talk say make all of us plan, e mean say you don see something o. As you dey see vision, if you don see something wey be say the thing, if Nigeria fit even scatter, na make you dey tell us make we dey make plan o. But as e be like this, me sef I go dey carry my Ghana must go dey prepare, should in case say something happen o, then all of us go know as we want to jackpot comot from the country. So if una think say una get anything wey una wan talk, make una comment below for the section, because we know say una sef una get things wey una wan talk about this pastor advice wey he give to us on how to jackpot comot from Nigeria. So before una go even do anything sef, make una first think am through. As una be like this, if una comot, how una wan take go survive for where una dey go? But before all that, make una no forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, because we get hot story for una, and make una stay tuned for our next story. Hey girls, una get mind though. The thing wey this girl do, it shock me. In fact, I overlove am. You don't hear say girl they propose to man? Yes, it dey happen, and it happen for somewhere, but don't be for Nigeria, because we know to get the mind. But before I go show na this, before I go talk about this matter, make I first show na this video first, before I will get something to talk about them. See as this girl kneel down, she even get mind, she go buy ring, kneel down, propose to guy. But Nigerian girls, we know ourselves now, we no go even fit do anything except say we dey try propose to anybody. Talk less of say we dey go buy ring. But make her ask her beg, as na she buy the ring when na she propose, who wan pay for the wedding? Because this kind of thing like this, as na you propose, it means say na you ready to marry na. Maybe the man never dey ready, but in friends they there sha. So if it be say they don't even plan the thing before the girl even come say she won't come propose. But see as she do am, she no die. Girls, you sef try to dey propose to guy. If you like the guy so much, propose to am. If he even dey ready, but he sef dey shame, say okay, me sef I no sabi kneel down, or I no wan kneel down, I no wan buy ring. If you get the money, you sef try do am, because now see, men no dey for market again, no, guys are scarce. So if you see your man wey you like, you better go propose to am, because sooner or later make another girl no come carry your man wey you don dey plan 10 years dey wait for am. See this girl now, she do this thing, she free, she no die, nothing do her. But we Nigerians, pride go dey carry us. We no even go meet any man say, okay, I like you. Even the one wey like you sef, you go still dey hide am, say because he never give you ring, you no fit propose, you no fit do anything, you no go even cook, you no go do anything, say you never give me ring, go, so make we dey do am on a secret level. But see this lady now, she boldly go face the man, buy ring, the ring even dey inside red plastic. Oh, she serious, kneel down with one leg, propose to this guy. Love sweet. Oh, this kind love na one thing love wey be say I never even see before, because I know say girls dey sabi shame. So many people no fit do this thing. Somebody like me sef, I no even fit do am. Make I no lie you, because pride no go gree us do am. But as e be like this, make una sef talk. Girls wey dey for this, make na talk una mind. Men sef wey dey here, make na talk say this way this girl do, una like am, e sweet na, abi una go want make una girlfriend sef propose to una behind una take see am. Na here I go dey end this program for today. Oh, so as e dey like this, make una no forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, as we get new story for now. Hot one wey be say if una even hear am sef, una no go wan leave this channel. Make na stay tuned for our next story.